Welcome and thank you for joining me. My name is Farron Young. I'm here to explain and show my final project for our CIT336 class for BYU Idaho. Glad you're watching this. Hope you find it enjoyable. Here is the launch page to my workspace for CIT336. And to access the final project, just a simple click here will get you into that initial experience. So the idea behind this application is like a bookmark manager for any of your, the idea is behind to be used for video links, but it could be for whatever links you wanted to save and manage and categorize. And so you'll see how that works as we get into this. So initially it does require a login process, so you can register or sign in by clicking that link. And there is a session set, and I was practicing with this earlier, so Bob is left here as a sign-in option. And so you can sign in as a new customer or as an existing customer, or sign in as a new customer. So we're going to initially sign in as a new customer to this service. So let's see. Let's go with Jack and give Jack a password. And if I mistype that password, then you'll notice that an error is alerted indicating that the passwords must match. So we will try that again. As you'll notice too, though, there is some client-side validation requiring this field to be filled out as well, so which is similar to up here. So we'll complete the registration here. Now you are logged in as Jack. You have a log out option, but Jack has not set up, as a new person in the service, has not set up any categories or links at this point. So we'll go ahead and do that. So we're going to add a couple categories for Jack here. And add motivational, and we'll add music. Once those categories have been added or are included with his profile, then these additional links will become available here. So now, after doing that, he can choose a category. So, but there's no links found with these categories as of yet, because those links haven't been, he hasn't added any links. So let's go ahead and add a link for him. We'll keep motivational as the category, and I just so happen to have a link here. And we'll go ahead and add that in there. Once that link has been added, I could make that, I should have made that include a message indicating that it's been added, but as we select a category now, you'll see that that link has been added. We have the option to delete the link. We'll go ahead and do that, and now it's gone again. So go ahead and put it back in there. So we have something to use. And the way that this is designed then is he can click on it and it will open up the video for him. So a nice way to manage those. Let's see. So that's about that. Let's go ahead and let's see. Let's go ahead and log out. Okay, and we'll go ahead and sign in then. And here, George has already got one category set up. And so, again, to identify from there, there's that same video link here again. So that's basically how this works. Let me show you what was involved in setting this up. So first of all, this is my relationships of my database. So users here, they can create links and they can create categories, and the links table is dependent also on those categories. So that's how the database is set up for this site here. And then following MVC, here is my controller, and as you'll notice, we've got a login case, register, update, add categories, add a new category, select a category, delete a link, add a link, and log out. And so that's the controller. There's two model pages that I use for this, and one is regarding the login process to get the user if they're an existing customer, or to register a new user. And that's all working from that same login form here as one of the view pages. Then once you're signed in, then this is the links form page that includes all those forms and uses these functions here on this model page called linksdb, where again we have get categories by the user, add a category, update category, get links by category, add a link, and delete links. And so that is my site. So hope you enjoy it. Hope it works out well for you. Might have been too much to chew at one time putting this together, but I hope that all works out well for you. So thank you again for watching. Goodbye.